If you want to give your PC a fresh new look or make your mouse cursor easier to see and use, don't worry. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to change your mouse cursor on your Windows PC. Whether you want a different cursor style, a larger pointer, or a custom cursor that matches your personal preferences, this tutorial will guide you through the entire process. So, let's get started. First, click on the Windows search bar and type Control Panel. Then open it from the search results. Once the control panel opens, change the view by option from category to large icons so all settings are easier to access. Next, find and click on Mouse. A new Mouse Properties window will appear. From here, go to the Pointers tab. You can select any cursor scheme you like from the Scheme drop-down menu, or click Browse to choose custom cursor icons from your PC. Once you've selected your preferred cursor, click Apply, then OK to save the changes. Your new mouse cursor will be applied immediately. That's it for today's video. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel for more CapCut tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.